Well, that's always nice. It just goes and strips your stuff. Love that. What's up guys, jtmoffroad here. We have to replace the starter today. So I was out and about the other day, Jeep's driving fine, hop in it, go to start it, and click, nothing. So, tried a few different things. In the end, I had to pull out my breaker bar because I didn't have a hammer. Got underneath, smacked the starter a bunch of times, got in, fires up. So, go ahead and get started placing this starter. Get a little help from my friend D-Walt. Those off. Alright. Time to drop her. So I gotta take this bolt out because I can't get a swivel up here and get enough torque on it to take that bolt out. So I'm gonna try taking this bolt out and see if I can get flush up there. Well, that's always nice. It just goes and strips your stuff. Love that. So I'm having a little trouble with that bolt. I didn't know that an E-Torx head was a thing. I was trying to use a 3/8 because it fit on there pretty well. Got the one bolt out fine, and then the other one's just kind of not doing too well. So went ahead and got a set of E-Torx sockets. Also picked up some bolt outs just in case, and nothing else. I have to try to weld a bolt or weld something on. And there's not much room, so I have to like weld a socket or something on there and try to get it out. Hopefully, I put some PB Blaster on it. My little map gas torch is out of canisters, and these canisters don't seem to be very popular. I don't think, I don't even know if they sell them anymore. I haven't had much luck finding them. I don't know if I can just use the bigger one. But I have this pistol grip style torch. It works pretty nice. I like it. But it doesn't do me much good if I can't find the gas for it. So I don't know if the bigger bottles will work. It'll be kind of big, but I'll give it a shot. But here's the E-Torx sockets I bought. Hopefully we'll give those a shot. So hopefully those will work. Also, I ended up buying this guy, and hopefully he'll do pretty well. We'll leave you in suspense and show you now. It's a DeWalt 20 volt max XR brushless 1/2" impact wrench. Does 700 foot-pounds torque. Pretty powerful. So between two, hopefully we can get that broken free. So it looks like there's a setting here for different speeds, I'm assuming. Oh, that's cool. Nice. That's pretty sweet. Well, we can try it with the lower torque and hopefully not strip the head any more than it already has. And go through them. That's pretty cool. I like that. So we'll see if this does a trick. If not, I might just go ahead and burn the Jeep. Not really biting much. Try to hammer it on a little bit. Oh, fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. That's speed 1, speed 2. Let's try speed 3. Holy crap. Oh my god, I love this thing. That was awesome. Yes. Oh, DeWalt, thank you so much. That was so easy. Oh. That came out like it was nothing. There we go. Need a little twist. Oh man, I'm so pumped. This thing may have been $300, but it is worth every penny. Thank you. Thank you, DeWalt. And the flywheel teeth look good. At least the few that I'm looking at. I just cannot get over the fact that that just pulled that bolt out like it's nothing. I'm so excited that it just did that. This is my new favorite tool. 1/2-inch DeWalt impact wrench, brushless. This thing is amazing. So there's the old starter, here's the new starter. This is pretty typical for anything I change. This one looks like crap. This one looks great. So the starter teeth on that look just about the same as the ones on the new one. So I assume the motor is just done. Maybe it just got so much crap in that hole that it just doesn't want to work anymore. I don't know. But we're going to put the new one in and see how it works. Hopefully it starts up fine. Hopefully we'll be starting fine for a while. So let's get at it. After taking the socket off of this bolt, when I hammered that thing on there, it really became one with the bolt and really did a number on those threads. So thankfully I have a spare engine that has 2 of these. So I'm going to take one of them off and use that, and I can get another one for the spare engine if I need, or you know, swap them out if I ever have to change the engines out. What am I doing? Just paid $300 for this. I'm still using this stupid 3/8 ratchet. That's better. And while I'm down here, probably wouldn't be a bad idea to clean up these connections a little bit. Get little DeWalt Jr. over here. Finish her up hand tight with the ratchet. Connections. Alright, starter's hooked up, battery's hooked up. Thing should be hooked up. Let's see if it starts. Let's try again. Let's say that's a wrap for today. I'm glad we got the starter changed out. There's such thing as external Torx heads for bolts. Don't try to use a normal X socket. Don't do that. You may strip something. So, as always, learn from my mistakes. See you next time. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Be sure to like it, tell me what you think in the comments, click subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming projects and wheeling trips. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook to catch posts of videos in the making. See you next time.